Today we also honor Sāvūtbaigā, formerly a medical doctor. She was separated from her family, tortured, imprisoned, and faced execution because of her courage to simply speak the truth. She was one of the first victims to speak publicly about the Chinese Communist Party's repression of Muslim minorities. She bravely provided accounts of Xinjiang's internment camps and continues to inspire other former detainees and family members to come forward and tell their stories to the world.
Thank you, Secretary Pompeo. It is an honor to be here again to celebrate these inspiring women and the incredible impacts they are making through the work they have dedicated themselves to all over the world.
Sάirágۈl Sāpbáy. Born in the Ela Kazakh Autonomous Prefecture of Xinjiang and now living in Sweden, Sάirágۈl is being honored for her bravery in standing up against the oppression of the Chinese Communist regime and not backing down from her commitment to others. Sάirágۈl became one of the first victims in the world to speak publicly about the repressive campaign against Muslims and ethnic minorities in Xinjiang, and her testimony was among the first evidence to reach and spark an international response.